Let's go ahead and take a look at another new element in HTML5 in this lesson called mark. So this is great if you want to draw attention to some text and highlight it as you would with a highlight marker. I'm in my HTML editor. I use Dreamweaver, and I'm in the Chapter 5 folder, and I've got the form open. It's the file called contact.html. Now, because I'm in Dreamweaver, I have split view, so I can actually see my code and see the design. If your HTML editor just allows you to see the code, we can still work with that. What I thought we'd do just to show it quickly is that we can go in here into this section in the header and perhaps just draw attention to the 31 covered bridges and apply the mark element to it so that it gets highlighted. So I can easily click in this because I'm in Dreamweaver and it will become highlighted in my code. So I can go in here and click and drag and it becomes highlighted. I can double click on it. But for now, I can see that I'm over here in my, my little header section, and I'm going to click right in front of 31 and I'm going to start entering the mark element. So I'm doing an open bracket, and as I start typing, and Dreamweaver actually shows me the choices of elements that start with those letters that I typed. Mark is the first one, so if I hit enter or return, it automatically is going to put it in for me, and then I can just finish it off. And then I'm going to go down and indicate where I want that to end. I want it to end right after covered bridges. So again, I'm going to start typing the open bracket and my close symbol, which is the /, and look what Dreamweaver did. It finished it off for me automatically, which is great. I'm just going to save this and preview it in my browser, and just like that you can see that the text becomes highlighted, just as I said, with a highlight marker. So this could be useful for drawing attention if you're talking about an event that's coming up and you want to highlight the date, or perhaps directions on how someone can get somewhere. Any kind of important information like that, it's very easy to go in and highlight it using the mark element in HTML5.